How to network with other real estate investors. Relationships with other industry people can really help snowball or speed up your investment opportunities. Having relationships with other investors can provide you with opportunities you may not have had and help you potentially with properties you may not have been able to do otherwise. So networking and having the relationships is really important, but what we want to talk about is how you can get to that point. So the question is like, who should you be building relationships with? Well, you're going to want to build relationships with title companies. You're going to want to build relationships with attorneys or escrow officers that are going to be closing the loan. You're going to want to build relationships with hard money lenders. You're going to want to build relationships with other fix and flippers. You're going to want to build relationships with wholesalers. You're going to want to build relationships with a few insurance people. And what you're looking to do is build your network. Now, why is this important? Some people are going to find a deal and just want to wholesale it. And if you know them and have a relationship, they may just give it to you rather than trying to blast it out to everybody. Likewise, you may run across a deal like one of my buddies has that's in this Texas mobile home park. Looks like a pretty good deal, but it's more than he can handle. So he called me and said, "Hey, are you interested in this deal?" I'm checking it out right now. As a matter of fact, when I finish this video, I'm gonna be calling him and going through the details. So how do you build this network? Well, there's a few ways. There's Facebook groups, there's online investing groups, there's in-person trainings. There are different types of things you can do to meet real estate investors. But I will tell you, I think the best thing is to find a title company or closing attorney that is investor friendly and ask them for some relationships and people you could take out to lunch and ask them to make some introduction. I believe in good old networking is the way to go. And you can do that by putting yourself out there, making some calls, doing some stop buys, and finding out who is working with real estate investors. It's a great way to do it and then build your network from there. I put together a video on the 13 steps to a fix and flip. Where should you actually start when you're wanting to do fix and flips? Setting your roadmap to your very first deal, and what are the most overlooked parts of doing a fix and flip? Check this video out and make it a very profitable day.